Hi, my name is Andrew Kimani, and I am the Chief Technology Officer at SMEazy. And what I'm going to be showing you today is the simplest business management application, not only in Kenya and not only in Africa, but in the whole world. Now, I don't want you to take my word for it. I want you to watch this video until the very end and make the decision for yourself. So, the very first thing is that you come to this link, smeazy.pasal.app. I will just type it again for you to see, smeazy.pasal.app. Once you're in this link, it will take you to log into your account. If you have an account like me, you log in very quickly, but if you don't have an account, you can use our test account to see how the product works, or you can sign up and create an account and start doing your business with us. So I'm just going to click try out with our test account. Now I've been redirected to the dashboard and you can see it says hello Andrew. Very cool greeting. And this is the name of the business as an easy test. For you, it will show something else that you will have written as the name of your business as you sign up. Now, what is the case scenario that I'm about to show you? I'm gonna be playing the role of a business owner and I'm gonna be trying to do stuff within my business. The very first thing that I would be interested in as a business owner is what products do I have? So as you can see, we have this side navigation bar. It's a very easy to use side navigation bar and you come and click inventory. And under inventory, you can see all the product that your business is stocking. So I will search for something. I know this is a construction business. So maybe I'm interested in something like a hacksaw. Hacksaw, if I can type it well, hacksaw. We have a hacksaw. I want to see if we have nails. I can see we have ordinary nails, selling per kg, and other ordinary nails that are sold, um, not per kg. I'm not very sure about this case scenario, but you see, we have these products, right? Now, the next case scenario that you want to imagine is that someone comes to your shop and they want to buy something. They want to buy maybe a hacksaw. They want to buy this nail. So you go to the POS and you say, the customer comes and says, I want to buy a hacksaw. We search for a hacksaw and we click add to cart. And they say, okay, I also need some nails. I'm gonna add a few nails now. They tell me, okay, that's cool. That's all I need. Can I proceed to pay? Yeah. Then you say, yes, let's proceed to payment. They tell you that they are paying in cash, so you select cash. It's a walk-in customer. I'm just gonna select walk-in customer, but normally you can even save customers to your business. So we're gonna click checkout, and yeah, the sale has been made. Now you might not have seen that, but underneath here there was an update. If you are keen, you did see it, it did happen. And if you click on details just to confirm, you see there's a hacksaw and ordinary nails package have been sold. You can view this receipt as a PDF. You can even download this receipt as a PDF. It opens and there we have it, our receipt. Normally we would print this, but I don't have a printer to show you um, how it does work, but it does the printing. Now, another case scenario is that you're selling on this allows you actually to sell on credit, so you can generate invoices. So maybe a customer comes, you generate invoice, you say that the name of a customer is Mary Nyambura, you select a due date, it's unpaid, so you check out. Now I'm just going to reload that and you see Mary Nyambura has appeared here. There's a status of incomplete because it's an invoice. Once it is paid, you can come and update the invoice as complete. So I'll just click that, update. You can come and see maybe it's paid and say that she paid via M-Pesa, and I'm gonna save changes and you see that the invoice is now marked as complete. Now, this is just the crux of what you can do. You can record purchases. Uh, for example, you go to your supplier and you buy a lot of stuff. You can come and record those here, and the system actually tells you that you need to buy this stuff because you're running low on stock. So all this stuff you're running low on stock. And these are limits that you can put, but also the system detects when you are really running low on stuff. It even tells you the top selling stock because if you have top selling stock, you need to take a look at it and see whether you need to restock it very soon. So D10 kind of sells a lot. The Hacksaw that we've sold, it sells a lot, but you can see the remaining amount. Not only that, you can come and see the number of transactions or the stats in terms of transactions that you've made. So you can see that in July you sold a total of 178,000. And yeah, you can even see your gross profit of 14,000, the total sales, the cost of goods sold, the sales numbers, the purchases you've made, etc., etc. And as you continue now, we've just made a bit of sales in November, that is right now, and you see that it continues to increase and increase. You can even check out your customers. You can see Miri Nyambura is a good customer of ours. She has a pending balance of 5,900, and what you can do at this point is even contact her. Now, this is the prototype, but what you're building, you will be able to reach out to your customers directly using the application, right? And yeah, that's it. That's where I will end my demo. There is a lot more stuff going on, and I can't cover all of it in this very short video, but this is a very simple application, and at the same time, it's a very powerful application. So I urge you to try it out and share this with other business owners who you think will like this application. Thank you.